me wine and no pussy can't groom me. Zoom up ahead and send a brain to immune me. Tune up a matic, they sit down, dance for me. Hey, pull up that. Hey.
So Masicka dropped a new tune called Autocrat. And before I give my opinion about the song, I'm going to read you guys the definition of what an autocrat is. An autocrat is a ruler who possesses absolute unchecked power within a government or state, in this case, dancehall. Typically a single individual. This power is not subject to legal or constitutional constraints, and the autocrat can make decisions and enforce them without any meaningful opposition or accountability. What is Masicka saying with just the title alone? To me, what Masicka is saying is, I move at the beat of my own drum. Nobody can tell me what to do. Me and my own boss. Me not clash nobody. So all of us who are waiting for Masicka to clash, it's obvious that Masicka is not going to clash. Masicka is going to continue to drop his music and let that land and do what it have to do. But him not clash nobody. You know what I mean? He might drop him little subliminal lines and you know what I mean? But him not clash a soul. Him not go song for no man. See? No. The song itself. It's not a good song. It's not a good song. It's typical Masicka. And at this point, I think some of us are getting bored with Masicka's flows because the flow is very similar to flows that we have heard in the past on different songs. This song sounds like a slowed down version of Whites. This is not a great song. This is not a song where you go bust blank for. This is a song that is certainly not a hit. In my opinion, this song is a miss. It is an absolute miss. The song is boring. It is boring. And I'm not saying that disrespectfully because I like Masicka's music. I like Masicka's music, but I'm going to always call a spade a spade. And this song is not it. It's definitely not it.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nande. You know it's your boss Nande in the building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So word in the street is that Masicka, this Alkaline and Masicka, this Vibes Kartel, or Masicka shade Alkaline and Masicka shade Vibes Kartel. So we're there to react to Masicka's new song called Autocrat. And the whole definition for autocrat is that an autocrat is a ruler who holds absolute power and authority, often without any checks or limitation on their rules. So he's saying that he's his own ruler. So him not associate with no man, him my own man. So probably the first part of the song or the dual title of the song are this Vibes Kartel say him I'm own ruler, him I'm own man. Vibes Kartel no rule theme empire, him own him rule him own empire. So he's saying that he's the man who hold his own power, he's the man who hold his own, he's the man who control and rule his own empire. So yeah, Masicka has said him an autocrat. And we're going to jump into the review and react some of the songs, the lyrics in the song for see if no shade, no direct shade or no direct this. Because you know, my previous vlogs, them did that tell you, say Masicka is the type of artist where him don't direct this or him don't direct shades. You need magnifying glass for really find out who him are this. You know him always a sing about him gun, him girl, him riches and stuff like that. Nothing else. To me, nothing else. That's just my opinion. So, I'm going to give this song a neutral point review reaction. Try to give it a neutral point of review and reaction. And hear what Masicka has said throughout this whole song. So, I could just jump right into the song and review what the dog has said and hear what him really has said. So this video was shot in TG, Tivoli Garden. And you know the bag pitney them around him. But what I want to ask is, he must shoot Badman video and a be a pitney surround him. One he tugs them with a rifle and all of them things like your previous videos them. That video yeah, would be a pitney. I don't know why, but I guess it's just a different take to him own videos them. So make us see what I say.
Put the city on the map, but I rich when I P90 we fling up on your back.
So Masicka saying him put the city on the map, but I rich man act. P90 we fling up on your back. So he must say the gun thing start already. So he must say the P90 on him belly for put it on your back. He must always talk about him gun on him belly. So he must say P90 on him belly, put it on your back. And cool.
From a pint to tell you down on a gap. That's out, chilling on the block. Make a bag of million never flop.
So I'm saying that guns out. The guns them out. You know Masicka got to work already. The little gun lyrics them. P90 will fling upon your back and it will make your lid down flat. And him say guns out, ready for anything. I'm gonna pull up that part there here where him say, come in and get where him say right so. He say guns out.
From a pint to lid down on a gap. Guns out, chilling on the block.
Him say from a pint to lid down on a gap. Guns out and we chilling on the block. So he's saying that him and him thugs them sit down on the block with them guns out. Probably ready for war or probably done war already and just relax and easy back.
Make a bag of million never flop. That's that every day my fucking name hot. We again.
So he's saying that he make a bag of mill and never flop. Make a bag of mill and never flop. Every day him name hot. Make a bag of mill and never flop. Every day him name hot. Maybe people that say this Alkaline this, but me can't say that because Alkaline hot. Or, you know, some people have the notion to say Alkaline fall off, but in my eyes, it don't look like him fall off because him still a hot at the game, him name still a ring, just like the same comparison with Masicka make. Him name ever hot and him make a bag of mill and never flop. So you can say the same thing. Alkaline, I do him shows them, Alkaline hot, him name still a ring in the middle. So, I don't know who that got to fall off, but probably it's just the notion Masicka makes say him no flop.
Top of the combo, he kill a rock chain like Django. Villain I place a condo.
So him say, him name at the top of the convo. Make him a rock a bag of chain like Django. And you know the movie Django with Jamie Foxx and also the slavery man where named Django. You know him them have the chain around him neck. You know the way all them old slavery people already have the chain around them neck and drag them and do all sort of cruel stuff. So he's saying he's making the comparison to those days, the chain round neck to his chain round neck, but his chain round his neck is gold or silver or whatever it may be him wear or him rock. So he's saying that his chain round him neck are dollars, millions money by them type of chain. So the comparison, but not just similar comparison, but it's just a chain comparison or metaphorical. So after came off of the Django line, him said, what him say a while ago? Because to the way Masicka spit, I not really pick up. But he said he used the whole rhyming scheme from Django to Shango. Fire name palm like Django, right? Him a forward from the Shango, then him use another go, and then him a forward from the Django, then him use another go to the Shango. So you know the whole rhyming scheme that's connected to it. So he's saying, girl see me on faith for the dance. So him say, girl see me on faith for the dance. So jar down a ghost in a one go. So you know the same rhyming scheme from Django to Shango, girl see me and faint. So the girl see me and faint for the dance. So then him say jar down a ghost in a one go. So you know the whole 4 bar there. So the whole 4 bar I just go. Shango, Django, girl see me and faint for the dance. So then him say jar down a ghost in a one go. So more rhyming scheme again after the go. Yeah, see me I tell you 4 bar already, you know, with the same rhyming scheme. Then him say what am I say? Him says Jordan a ghost in a one go and then hold on.
Shut up in the face, yeah, and go. Fire on my palm like Shango. Girl see me and faint like dancer. Jordan a ghost in a one go. Dog with Shannon post and one go.
So he used the one go more than one time. Him say, Jordan a ghost in a one go. Girl see me and faith for the dancer. Shut up in a head in a one go. That rich and a post. You a one go. Me no know. A one be a one go. Me no know. Me pull up back that go part there again. Me no know where him say. I be a one go.
Villa in a place and condo. Shut up in a face, yeah, and go.
Villa in a place and condo. Shut up in a face in a one go.
Fire on my palm like Shango.
Fire on my palm like Shango. You see the rhyming scheme. One go. Fire on my palm like Shango.
Girl see me and faint at dancer.
Girl see me and faint at the dance. Oh, girl see me and faint at the dance.
Jordan a ghost in a one go.
Jordan a ghost, you know a one go. You know a one go. So the one go start, you know, as me say, he repeats one go about 3 times. Jordan a ghost in a one go.
Now post them one go.
Dog Richard now post you know a one go. Me pull it up for you. Dog Richard, no, me not pull it up. Dog, as me say, he used the one go line about 2 times already. So, Ufi dead, Fambo. So, him use the, as me tell the viewers and subscribers, the rhyming scheme for me is what chose me off. Because the rhyming scheme is so attached to each other. There's no break between all rhyming schemes. From Django to Shango, the girl Simeon Theater, the dancer, put a shot in her head in a one go. That Richard now post you a one go. That chose me off with the whole rhyming scheme. Oh, so we changed the flow after those bars. One whole 8 bar. No, not 8 bar. Probably around 6 bars that a while ago with the same rhyming scheme. But listen to the another rhyming scheme. So he said, Oofy, rich like man, bag of horse. Rich like man, bag of horse.
Rich like man, bag of horse, fucking Gucci.
Oofy rich like man, bag of horse, F the Gucci. And all now, me not hear no this. Me not hear no this in a song. People say Masicka this, Alkaline and Vibes Kartel. Me not hear it yet. Oofy rich like man, bag of horse, F the Gucci. So he must say, him have the horse, him not pay the Gucci no mind. So him change the one go flow to Gucci. No, the flow and the rhyming scheme depend Gucci. So we're gonna catch more rhyming scheme of Gucci or Poochie or Groupie. So ready now. Crystal Pint, knock him out, not move me. So you know the Gucci line rhyming scheme still there. Gucci, then Oofy, not move me. So Gucci and movie. Bloody movie. Him say something another after Oofy. Him say man bag ass, fucking Gucci. Crystal Pint, knock him out, not no move me. Chris White Night, bloody top, dopey movie. So after him said not move me. Chris White Night, bloody top, dopey movie. So you know Gucci, Oofy, dopey movie, that whole rhyming scheme correlate together. So he's on that rhyming scheme again. And as me say, Masicka is a rhymer. Don't get me wrong, anybody who feel offended, it's not to be offended because it is facts. Masicka is a rhymer just like Idonia. He pattern Idonia style. And now he master it and level up with a different style, with his style I should say. But he is a rhymer because all of the rhyming scheme is so close together. And that is why I'm not really listen to all of Masicka songs them are most, because it's more so rhyming than a story telling of a song. So him say Chris White Night, bloody top dopey movie. That was the part where we were at. Chris White Night, bloody top dopey movie. Tough shatter and shatter run back a groupie. As I said, viewers and subscribers. That is at roughly 4 bars already with the same flow. A two different rhyming scheme, but the flow the cadence is the same. After Django, then after him there in a Django flow, him there in a groupie flow, Gucci flow. So from the Django to the groupie and the Gucci and the rhyming scheme is just the same right through. Listen again. After groupie, enough shatter run back a groupie, him went to say corn in the pot like soupy. Ah boy, rhyming scheme after rhyming scheme. Rhyming scheme after rhyming scheme. Rhymer. That a newbie with tough shot. When him say after shatter back a groupie and him say corn in a pot like soupy, then him go by saying that a newbie shatter fire and something another Lucy. Oh, parrot attack long, me will shoot it. After soupy, then parrot attack long, me will shoot it. That a newbie, we bust it loosely. The rhyming scheme, nothing wrong with rhyming scheme, but the rhyming scheme have to make sense. Because the rhyming scheme is poor and the lyrics are poor also. And all now, me not hear a this yet for the artists where everybody has say artists get this. I haven't heard it yet. Fireball back a fireball after mentioning Lucy. Fireball back a fireball. Fireball back a fireball.
I bust it loosely. Fireball, back a fireball, I'm a duty.
Fireball, back a fireball, I'm a duty. So after the whole rhyming scheme of groupie, soapy, fireball, back a fireball, I'm a duty, then newbie, then Lucy. The whole rhyming scheme there. So I must about 8 rhyming scheme of the same, right? The 8 flow, not, you remember 8 flow? I'm about 8 bar with the same rhyming scheme. One done already 16 and a Susie. Me blood me Masicka. Why you don't change the rhyming scheme, bro? Like create a whole picture, a whole story about the song. Like the song is 5 minutes and 30 seconds, and the rhyming schemes them are just the same throughout majority of the song. Even when he jumps into another 8 bar, the rhyming scheme every bar is the same thing.
Just a carry steel can't fool me.
Them just a carry steel can't fool me. Yo, Masicka, me tell you know viewers and subscribers, me listen to Masicka, but Masicka, me get to understand over time that Masicka is a rhymer, and him just throwing some simple rhyming scheme, some easy rhyming scheme. Him not give nothing for meds. As me say in a previous vlog, say Masicka hasn't stimulate my meds with certain lyrics because him not going at the bag for dig up some lyrics for say, yeah, wow, the dog make me go in a dictionary, make me go Google. The first part, the whole title of the song, yeah, make me go Google by saying Autocrat, but the whole song, nothing.
No black at all tick, yeah, bro me.
Sweep on the black at all tick, yeah, bro me. Him try to make it work this so because him couldn't find no other word for rhyme with groupie or soupy. So him say sweep on the black at all tick, yeah. So him did have to put in the yeah right there so for make sure say the soupy rhyming scheme correlate together. So him say yeah, bro me. So him couldn't find no other word there so for say for rhyme with soupy and groupie and joopy. While a pussy can grow me. Me don't know who I try grow Masicka. Me don't know why. As me say, viewers and subscribers, Masicka is a rhymer. So him have to rhyme and make sure all of the rhyming scheme them match together. So he had to find some sort of rhyme or rhyme with broomy, soupy. So he mentioned groupie, and that's what I say. The songs that Masicka are sing off lately, it's just pure rhyming scheme. No storytelling, or just pure rhyming scheme. Every end of every bar, it's a rhyming scheme followed by the next bar. No, bro, Masicka, we gone how much minute nice song and all now. The song, me can't see the dog of this nobody. 1 minute and 29 seconds. 5 minutes, bro. 5 minutes and 30 seconds in our song, and all now the man no start this nobody yet. Me not understand this, and people say Masicka, this artist and this that the artist. And me not hear no this all now. Me not hear no this all now for correlate for say yo, it look like it can add up same as this time and the armor shade them and the all now. Masicka, what is the issue, bro? Bro, how much minute me gone now vlog already? 17 minutes and all now me can't get no this out of the song all now, Masicka. Jaja. And the rhyming scheme, as me say, viewers and subscribers. Listen, he did a 8 bar at the first part of the song, then him do another 8 bar. The first 8 bar, the whole rhyming scheme matched together, and there is no cut between every rhyming scheme. All of the rhyming scheme them are correlate back at each other, one after the other. The next 8 bar is the same thing. He mentioned the first 8 bar was what? Group. The second one was groupie. The first 8 bar was Django. So the Django to Shango to Nango to Rango, or not even. Him not say Rambo, but as when I only get what I say, all of the rhyming scheme them are correlate. Rambo, Shango, Django, Wango, Dango, stuff like that. Then the second 8 bar is groupie, Grucci, soupy, groom me. That is what I'm saying. The rhyming scheme after rhyming scheme, and then he doesn't split the rhyming scheme so that you can understand the whole song. Every rhyming scheme is just one back of the other. And a 5 minutes enough, viewers and subscribers.
Left at a bush and it a stink like noonie.
Oh, so this is another 8 bar again, you know, viewers and subscribers. He finished that 8 bar, and this is another 8 bar. So he jumped into another 8 bar, sounding like Gucci. So he's saying that Noonie left that. When he says something about Noonie, pull it up.
Left at a bush and it a stink like noonie.
Left that a bush and it a stink like noonie. You see what I say, viewers and subscribers? No story like no farmer story in the song. Him jump out of one 8 bar to a next 8 bar and it's a whole different thing him a sing about. Left that a bush and it a stink like noonie. Jesus God. Come again, Masicka. Let me hear what you say. Wipe and come again. Forward again, Masicka. Left that a bush and it a stink like noonie.
Push and it a kick like noonie. Put up with it.
Binds a kick and it a push. Binds a push and it a kick like noonie. Go shot him and say, you know, something a kick like Rooney, you know. So, noonie and Rooney, catch me, you know, viewers and subscribers. The rhyming scheme them. Be your rhyming.
Like noonie. Glock that a push and it a kick like noonie.
Glock that a push and it a kick like noonie. Glock that, no, Raz. Glock that a kick and it a push like Rooney. After left that a bush and it a stink like noonie, then here comes Glock that a kick and it a push like Glock that a kick and it a push like noonie, or Glock that a push and it a kick like noonie. As myself, viewers and subscribers, the rhyming scheme, they are so close to each other. They're not spaced apart to say, yo, paint a vivid, paint a story. That is all him do. Rhyme, rhyme, rhyme.
Pull up with the tool and if it take on a jolly.
Pull up with the tool and if it take on a jolly. Jesus God. Why Masicka can't paint a vivid picture with the songs them? Like the rhyming scheme after rhyming scheme, bro. That's why I can't listen to the song out to the full, you know. Me have to cut the song at, me have to probably cut that song at 2 minutes because the rhyming scheme after rhyming scheme, cause if me have to play out the whole 5 minutes of this song and expect for hear Gucci, Groupie, Django, Noonie, Rooney, no, I can't listen to the whole song, bro. Big man meant, I can't listen to the song because the song will get boring already, bro. Noonie, Rooney, Ruby, Jesus God.
Play better try Loody. Tell us how
We no play, them better try Ludi. Jesus God. Jesus God. Viewers and subscribers, I need a water break because, Jano, Masicka bore me with that song already, bro. The dog literally bore me with the song. The whole rhyming scheme of Noonie, Rooney. That's not how music does, bro. You know, well, a theme own style is. Him is a rhymer, so a theme style, but I'm not knocking. But, bro, how me I go sit down and listen to that 5 minutes worth of song and the whole rhyming scheme are forward from Gucci and you still depend Gucci, Groupie, Noonie, Rooney. Bro, I can't manage this, brother. Big man meds, me can't. I'm not hearing no this for say this nobody. The man reach a Ludi, you know, viewers and subscribers. The man are forward from Gucci to Groupie to Groomy to Noonie to Rooney to Ludi to Jewelry. Jesus God, viewers and subscribers, help me over here. Help me.
tell us how we want Julie. With the talk of the town, with the news be.
Tell us how we bad truly where the talk of the town, where the news be. And as I said, viewers and subscribers, the rhyming scheme, they are so attached to each other. Them close, them no center part. They are so close to each other. That is why the song becomes monotonous. The song becomes monotonous, sounding like the same. The flow not change. The style of the song is the same. It's not even a flow switch or rhythm switch. If the song is going to be 5 minutes 30 seconds, at least do a rhythm switch, like you know, or a Kendrick or a Drake do. Rhythm switch, flow switch, style switch, nothing. The man are forward from Gucci, you know, viewers and subscribers, to reach where the news be, you know, to truly, you know, Jesus. And then him going at the chorus again. We again on top of the convo. The chorus is not catchy. Not really. Not saying it's not that catchy, but the chorus is poor. Because after having a song for 5 minutes and 30 seconds, the chorus should be the longest. The chorus should be the most repetitive part of the song because that is the only thing people will remember. Because if you have a song 5 minutes and 30 seconds and the chorus not catchy throughout the whole song, then the song not gonna away, bro. Just like myself, viewers and subscribers, I can remember Alkaline did a song called Suave. And you know Suave, a big song. And Alkaline made that chorus catchy because he mentioned Suave a lot of times in that song. Suave, just look at me Suave, jump in a Gucci, jump in a Versace, then Masicka forward. Me again on top of the convo, the Django.
Killer rock chain like Django. Feel like night place at Kando. Shut up in a face, yeah, and go.
You know, Masicka. Viewers and subscribers, 24 minutes in a song now. Yeah, so me I cut it off, you know. All know Masicka no diss nobody, you know. All know Masicka no diss nobody. And me not gonna further in a song. The song too long. The song too long and the song too boring. Me can't understand this. The song is too long and too boring. Viewers and subscribers, me I gonna cut it off right here. So Masicka, good try, but the song is repetitive. The song is monotonous. The flow is just the same like White. The flow is just the same like Mute. The flow is just the same like Limelight. No, bro. I understand it's your signature. It's your signature style, but the song, bro, give me a different flow, now, bro. Give me something upbeat. I understand the cadence is the same. I don't know. The production team, I repeat this, I recycle the same rhythm over and over again to make it sound close to Mute, close to White, close to Scope, close to what? It not sound like 20matics or Update, but it sound close to White's, Scope, Mute, Limelight, Carbon. No, Masicka. Bro, viewers and subscribers, I've been telling you this. Masicka is a rhymer. Masicka shades them, you need magnifying glass. But this need more than magnifying glass because I can't hear nothing. He mention lie down in your jewelry. Mention shot, lie down in your diamond and ruby. No. And it come like me. It come as myself viewers and subscribers. I need water break because this thing too long. The whole song too long. The whole song long. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Jaja. I'm exhausted already. I am drained. I can't do no more. Viewers and subscribers, share your thoughts in the comment section because I can't go no more in another song. Yeah. Share your thoughts in the comment section. You know it go already, man. A vibes are inside with another episode. I'm out. Peace.